In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and unarchive Trello cards and lists in just 5 minutes. Organizing your tasks effectively in Trello can significantly streamline your workflow, and knowing how to properly archive and unarchive items is a key part of keeping your tools organized and efficient. Let's get started by logging into Trello. First, you'll need to access your Trello account, so head over to the Trello website and click on the Login button. If you have your accounts linked, you can simply click on the Google option to quickly log in using your Google account credentials. This saves time and allows you to access your boards without entering passwords manually. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, navigate to the board where you want to manage your cards or lists. You can do this by either searching for the board in the search bar or directly selecting it from your frequently visited boards. Next, if you're looking at archiving specific cards, find the card you wish to archive. Simply right-click on the card, which should open up a context menu with various options. From this menu, select the Archive option. Archiving removes the card from the board without deleting its data, which is a great way to clean up your workspace while preserving information for later retrieval if necessary. To archive entire lists instead of individual cards, you'll need to locate the list in question. Once you've found the list, click on the 3 dots that appear in the upper right corner of the list box. This will open a menu, and here you just need to select Archive this list. This feature allows you to tidy your board by removing groups of cards all at once while still being able to bring them back when needed. If you've archived something and now need to retrieve it, Trello makes that easy as well. Still on your board, locate the 3 dots at the top right corner of the board, often referred to as the board menu. Clicking on these will give you access to more settings, including the option for archived items. Click on this to view all your archived cards and lists. You'll see a list of items you've archived, and from there you can find the specific card or list you wish to unarchive. Look for the Send to Board option next to each archived item, and click on it to restore your card or list back to the board. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your tasks and keep your Trello boards organized. Whether you want to declutter your workspace or temporarily hide information you might need later, archiving and unarchiving are essential skills for effective project management in Trello. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.